Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom slide decks. I've always been a fan of Unilever slides and they always make one of the most catchy slide decks. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a simple tool to draw and to trace any diagram that you want very easily by using a simple tool in the insert menu. So first of all, I'm going to duplicate this slide by right clicking and click on duplicate slide. Once you duplicate the slide, go to the second slide, remove the pictures, remove the text, and then remove the layout patterns or the boxes of the layout. Go to Insert, Shapes, and then select the freeform shape. Now you can simply make simple points by clicking, and then you can make the edge and corners of the shape. So just click and make a shape. Now just go to the starting point and then your shape is done. Now let's just make one more shape. Go to the Insert menu, Shapes, and then click the same freeform shape. Now select the corners, and once you are done with the last corner, you will have this solid shape. So now I'm going to repeat the same steps for all other remaining shapes in this slide, and I will show you how it looks in the end. Now let's just work on the minor details of the shapes. So click on the shape. Before that, give it an outline and make it a solid color. Click Edit Points, and then you can manage the edit points and you can manage the shape boundary. You can make it as smooth as you can by just dragging the points and clicking on them. Similarly, we are going to do it for the other shapes also. Click on the shape and right click, go to Edit Points, and then you can edit the points as desired. Now once you are done adjusting the points, then select all the shapes, go to the shape format and remove the outline. And then you can copy these shapes to another blank slide. So once you are done with this one, we are going to copy the image of the previous slide in this slide, and we will see for minor adjustments. So once we are done with these minor adjustments, we are going to edit points and see if there's any smaller minor mistakes. We are going to fix it so that it appears within the boundary of the slides. I just copied the image of the previous slide so that I can match the colors using eyedropper tools. So select the shape, go to shape format, shape fill, and then use the eyedropper and change the color. Similarly, you are going to repeat the same steps for the other shapes and choose the colors accordingly. Similarly, select other shapes and select shape format, shape fill, choose eyedropper and choose the color from that particular slide. Then similarly go to the next color and choose the color for the other slides. We are going to repeat the same process by going to shape fill and change the shape color using eyedropper tools and selecting the colors that we want. Now we are done with the outline of the shape. So this is our main slide, and we can use the borders from this slide for our other slides also. Now let's work on the pictures part. Go to shape, insert, and take a rectangle and adjust the size of the rectangle so that it looks appropriate, and you can change the size from the shape format menu. Go to the shape fill and line, change the width of the line to 4 points and change the color for the boundary to white. Now copy this rectangle again and paste them twice. Then drag it a little bit down so that you can have enough space above and it doesn't coincide with your other shapes. Now we are going to copy the text from the first slide, and then we are going to paste it over here. Try using more bold fonts to make your title more attractive and appealing. You can make them center to the left side, and then you can adjust the size of the text accordingly. After you are done with that, you can also change different variations of text and see which one looks much better. Copy the text file and paste it down for your name and title. Change the size of the name to a smaller font, and also you can reduce the size of the box and change its color to white to make a difference between the title and name caption. You can add your affiliations and all your designation inside the brackets. Adjust the size of name slide so that it can appear within the boundary and also the limits. It doesn't look too much bigger than the title and also not smaller than title. Now write your affiliation down below your name, and then you are mostly done. Once you're done with this one, you can also work on the other parts, making bold your name title as bold, and also you can work on the image part now. Now you can copy the logo from the previous slide, and now it's time to add the pictures. Go to shape fill, and then you can click on the stock images or online pictures. So for stock images, if the stock images are not available, you can choose the other option, which is the online images. I just typed biomass, I couldn't find any pictures, so I'm going to click on the online pictures. Now you can write any title that you want, which for example I choose biomass, so I found this example. I'm going to repeat a similar process for the other two pictures also. Now once we are done with this one, now we are going to copy the borders, shapes, and then we're going to make another blank slide and we're going to paste this one. So now you can repeat your other slides also by just pasting these borders on either side of the corners. Now for just an example, just type introduction on the top, and this is your first slide. You can repeat your process similarly in this way for other slides also. Now let's just remove this and keep a general format. For instance, if you want to change the image of your shapes, you can just go to change picture and the change image option. Then what you can do is choose another picture, whatever you like, type biomass again and find another suitable picture that you want. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please leave down your questions down below in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.